What if a dental visit felt more like a treat and less like a chore? Introducing Smiyl Prophy Paste, made just for kids and designed to make every appointment a little more fun. Made with flavors kids love, from cotton candy to bubblegum, strawberry, mint, and even s'mores. And while kids love the taste, you'll love what's inside. It's fluoride-free, gluten-free, titanium dioxide-free, and completely free of artificial dyes, so you can feel confident with every use. Plus, the low-splatter formula keeps things cleaner, smoother, and more comfortable for everyone in the operatory. Each box contains 200 individual cups and a convenient autoclavable prophy ring for efficiency and ease. Because a positive experience today can shape a lifetime of healthy smiles. Smiyl Prophy Paste, turning cleanings into something to smile about.